Grok AI just released a massive update and honestly is a game changer for anyone creating content. You can now generate and extend AI videos scene by scene, turning short clips into long cinematic videos and still keep your character and style consistent. And the best part is, you can do this completely free and even from your mobile phone, just with AI prompts and one powerful feature on Grok AI, you can create longer clips for your AI animation. Let me show you exactly how it works. To make this workflow smooth, I use two tools together. First, I use ChatGPT to generate the story and prompts. Then I use Grok AI Imagery to actually create and extend the videos. This method lets you turn multiple short AI clips into one long continuous story. First, I go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a cinematic, whimsical 3D animated fantasy story. I also ask it to create multiple scenes, give detailed prompts for each scene, and make sure each scene flows naturally into the next. ChatGPT generated a 7-scene story, each with a detailed animation prompt. To keep the same character throughout the video, we use a character lock prompt. For example, my main character is a 10-year-old boy with short messy brown hair blowing in the wind, large expressive brown eyes, soft round face, simple beige linen shirt, brown suspenders, worn boots, small leather belt pouch. I paste this into every scene prompt. This helps the AI maintain the same character design across the entire video generation. Next is the global style consistency block. This contains keywords that control the look and feel of your animation. Things like cinematic lightning, whimsical 3D animated fantasy style, magical atmosphere, high detail animation. This block is also added to every prompt so that the visual style never changes. Now, once you have gotten our text prompt from ChatGPT, the next step you should take is to move to Grok AI. Search for Grok AI Imagine on your browser and open it. You can do this on your phone or laptop, and it's free to use. If you are using a mobile phone, there is an important step. Switch your browser from mobile view to desktop view through this method. This gives you a full Grok interface, exactly like using a laptop. If you're already on a laptop, you can skip this step. Inside Grok AI, once you are done signing in, look for the generation options. Yes, this downward arrow right here. Change it from image to video if yours is still showing image, since we want to animate scenes, that is, create videos. You will also see options like aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. Some options require the paid plan, but the free version works perfectly for this method. Now, in the prompt box, paste 3 things together. First, paste in the character log description, that is, the text prompt that contains the description of our character. Remember, for me, my character is a 10-year-old boy, which I've already mentioned earlier in this video. The second text you should add to the prompt box is the scene 1 prompt, which ChatGPT also gave to us, and this is based on our story. The third text you have to paste in the style consistency block. Once everything is pasted, click on generate. After a few seconds, Grok creates the first scene video, usually about 6 seconds long. Now, here is the new update that makes this a game changer. Instead of you to generate separate clips, downloading them separately, you can now extend this current video we just generated, this particular clip. You can now extend it. This keeps the same character, same animation style, and same scene continuity. So for you to do this, first play the video, then move the timeline to the exact point where you want the next scene to start. Pause the video at that very point. Next, click the 3 dots menu which you are seeing by the right hand side. Then select Extend. A new prompt box appears. What you need to do right now is to paste in the character log description, the next scene prompt. In this case, I'm going to paste in scene 2 prompt right here. Then the style block. Once you have pasted in this set of text prompts in this prompt box, click on generate. Grok will now continue the video from the exact moment, seamlessly adding the next scene. Now the video becomes longer and still perfectly consistent. To build your full story, just repeat the same process for scene 3. Play the video, pause it at the end where you want the next scene to start, click on the 3 dots by the right hand side, click extend, paste the next scene prompt. After extending the third scene, the video already becomes much longer and the character remains consistent. Since my story has 7 scenes, I simply keep extending until the story is complete. Once the final scene is generated, click the 3 dots again. Then choose Upscale Video. This is for you to improve the quality of the whole video you just generated. This is also free. After that, simply save the video, and now I have one long continuous AI video which is about 1 minute long based on the number of scenes I have. And that's how you use the new Grok AI Extend feature to turn short clips into long cinematic AI video. If this helped you in any way, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video.